everyone and welcome to TechStream's YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on or off keyboard sound on your iPhone 14, 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max. So if you want to hear sounds whenever you're typing, you can enable it through settings up. So for that, go to your settings up and sound and haptics. Scroll down, take on keyboard feedback. So to enable or to turn on keyboard sounds, simply enable the option for sound and this will turn on the keyboard sound. So now whenever you type, you hear a little voice there. So now to disable it, if you don't like the keyboard sound, you can always disable it. For that as well, go to settings up, sounds and haptics, keyboard feedback, and simply disable the option for sound, and this will turn off the keyboard sound. So that's it. Thank you for watching and bye bye.